Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make egg fried rice quickly. First, prepare your ingredients. You'll need about 3 cups of cooked, cold rice, 2 to 3 eggs, your favorite vegetables like peas and carrots, and essential seasonings such as soy sauce. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes the process much smoother and faster. Cold, day-old rice is crucial for that perfect, non-sticky texture. Next, heat a large wok or pan over high heat with a tablespoon of oil. Crack 2 to 3 eggs directly into the hot pan and quickly scramble them until just cooked through. Remove the eggs and set them aside. Add a little more oil, then toss in minced garlic and ginger. Sauté these aromatics for about 30 seconds until they become wonderfully fragrant, filling your kitchen with a delicious aroma. Now, add your cold rice to the wok, breaking up any clumps with your spatula. Stir-fry the rice for 1 to 2 minutes to heat it through and give it a slightly crispy texture. Incorporate your chopped vegetables, such as peas, carrots, or corn, and cook them until they are tender crisp. Finally, pour in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and a dash of sesame oil, tossing everything to combine evenly. To finish, return the scrambled eggs to the wok with the rice and vegetables. Give everything a final toss for about 1 minute, ensuring all ingredients are well mixed and heated through. Taste and adjust seasonings if needed. Garnish your quick egg fried rice with freshly chopped green onions for a burst of color and flavor. Serve this delicious dish immediately for the best experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.